everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, so finally I'm bringing to you guys a skincare review, and it's something I've been promising months ago, but you know what? Better late than never. So when I first bought these products, and I'm going to be reviewing some Olay products, and when I first bought them they were new, so we're going to pretend that they're still new even though they're months old. So one of the products I'm going to review is the Olay Mask Glow Boost White Charcoal Clay Stick, and the other one is going to be the Olay Mist Ultimate Hydration Essence and Energizing. And I've been a big fan of Olay pretty much my entire life. I love all their products, and I just wanted, when these came out, I really wanted to give them a try and to see how they worked, or if they worked. So this is what I'm going to do today. And how I like to review skincare is I like to use the products for at least 2 weeks or up to a month just to see how they respond to my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about each product. I'm going to give you all the claims. I'm going to show you how I used it and applied it to my skin, and in the end I'm going to give you my final thoughts. So before we get started, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and I want to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your support. So if you want to see how I like these new Olay products, then just keep watching. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the clay stick, and they come in 3, and the one that I have is the Glow Boost White Charcoal Clay Stick, and they also come in Fresh Reset Pink Mineral Clay Stick, and they also come in a Pore Detox Black Charcoal Clay Stick, but the one that I have is the Glow Boost. So it retails on the Olay website for $13.49, but I went to Walmart and I got mine for $10, so you're better off going to Walmart or any drugstore to get your clay stick. And the net weight is 48 grams, which means it's 1.7 ounces. And as you can see, it has a clear cap, and you just screw that off and you just roll it up just like, kind of like deodorant. And keep in mind, you guys, I've had this product since, I'm going to say, around February, and I still have a lot of products, and I probably use this at least 2-3 times a week since I bought this product. So I'm still left with a whole lot of product. And you know what, it does have a scent. The way I would describe it is a little bit of a minty bubble gum, if that makes any sense. But it doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell like perfume or flowers, but I would say like a minty bubble gum is what it smells like. And the claims described as hit the reset button on stressed skin without the mess. All of our clay face mask sticks are formulated with premium kaolin clay, which micro exfoliates skin to remove impurities. When combined with the purifying white charcoal in our Glow Boost mask, you'll look and feel luminous. Plus, we put it in stick form to make it easy for you to treat dull areas, so you can multi-mask for whatever your skin needs. Goodbye dead skin, hello glow. If you want to know what white charcoal does, is that it supercharges the skin renewal process. It removes dull, dead cells and encourages healthy new cells to reach the surface. And kaolin clay is a micro exfoliator which gently scrubs away skin clogging impurities. And this helps to penetrate your skin so that you'll get all the full benefits. And when I read those claims, that was really the main reason why I really wanted to try this. I'm always looking for ways to really rejuvenate my skin and to take away a lot of old dead skin cells, and that's what really helps your skin to really look healthy and really supple and really soft. So that's one of the main reasons why I really wanted to try this clay stick. And another thing is, I never had a mask that I actually had to roll on my skin. I usually use a brush or sometimes my hands, mostly my brush, but when I saw this roll on, this is something that really intrigued me. And if you have normal to dry skin, this clay boost is definitely for you. Mist. So I needed another spray mist, so I wanted to go ahead and pick up this Olay Mist Ultimate Hydration Essence and Energizing. And the claims for the mist are as follows. Need a boost? Transform tired looking skin with Olay Energizing Mist Face Spray. When skin feels exhausted, wake up its senses with the revitalizing and hydrating benefits of vitamin C, bergamot, and vitamin B3 mist. Every cloud-like mist instantly quenches and energizes, leaving your skin looking bright and makeup looking refreshed. And I can go ahead and say that's absolutely true. I sprayed this after I did my makeup, and it really made my makeup look really good, so that's absolutely true. With Olay Mist in your skincare routine, formulated with botanical ingredients and fresh fragrances, you'll do more than hydrate. You'll transport your senses and your mind. And basically what I love about this spray is that it just helps your skin to look hydrated, not look dull, and it just really helps your skin just not to look dry. And it doesn't have any oils, it doesn't have any parabens or any artificial colors. So that's what's really great about using this mist. Right now I'm going to give you a demonstration on how I've been using these products, and stay tuned to the very end because I'm going to give you my final thoughts. And another point I want to make about this mask is when it dries down really light, not tight like some mask has a way of drying down, but very lightweight, very comfortable on the skin. So on the scale of 1 to 10, I think I would give this Clay Stick Glow Boost around a number 5, only because based on the packaging and what I read on the website, I was really looking forward to my skin looking overwhelming, hydrated, and just have this amazing glow to it. And I know how my skin looked before I started using it, and weeks after using it, my skin pretty much looked exactly the same. I didn't really get any extra glow to it the way it claims on the packaging and on the website, so that was a bit disappointing. The smell really didn't bother me. Sometimes when I use skincare that have maybe a medicated smell to it, it really bothers me, but like I said in the beginning, this has like maybe a bubblegum peppermint type of smell to it, and if that makes any sense. But yeah, it really didn't bother me. The smell really didn't bother me. And also the roll-on, I thought that was really interesting. As I put it on, it was really difficult for me to cover different areas of my face, just I guess based on how my face is shaped, and I will have to go in with a brush just so that it will, you know, cover all areas of my skin. So that was really interesting, and I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of that. I think I'll stick to using a brush just so I can get different areas or getting different small areas of my face. So that was okay. I wasn't a huge fan of that, but you know, it wasn't a complete disaster. And it really is affordable, which is great. It's only $10 at Walmart, which is where I got it, and it's about $13 or $14 on the website. So definitely go to your favorite drugstore, Walmart, to pick this up if you definitely want to try it. And another good thing about this, you guys, is that it lasts for a long time. Like I said, I've had this since around February, and I still have a lot of product left in this, and it rolls out even more, so it will definitely last you a long time. So for $10, I think it's definitely worth it. So on the scale of 1 to 10, I can absolutely say that I will give this spray a 9. I loved it. It smells great, and when you spray it to your face, it settles in gently. You know, some of these sprays, they kind of spit at you. It's like really harsh, but it's a gentle mist, so there's no weirdness to it. It's, like I said, it smells great. It's really affordable. It's also $10 at Walmart, and it's like almost $14 on the website, so I definitely recommend that you go to your favorite drugstore or Walmart to pick one up if you want to try it. You can use it after you do your skincare routine. You can just give your skin a little treat, a little hydration in the middle of the day. If you need a little boost or pick me up in the middle of the day, give your skin a mist. And after you do your makeup, just after you've done all your powders and everything, just give your face a mist, and it will settle into your skin and your makeup will look great. So yeah, I absolutely love the mist. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. If you used these products before, please let me know in the comment section down below if you loved it, if you hated it, if you had a similar experience or maybe a different experience. I would love to know. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.